Hi my students, welcome back to my class. The new lesson I give you today is Unit 7, Saving Energy, with the session Read. I help you to develop reading skill with some vocabularies, grammar, with the structure not only but also and how to answer the question and the last one with the homework. Now you look at the picture. She is at the store. She is buying something. She is a consumer. Consumer. A plan for labeling. Labeling scheme. Labeling scheme. Efficiency. Efficiency. The energy efficiency of this light bulb is 100 watts. Energy efficiency. Efficiency. He has a lot of money and he always spends it buying expensive things. He lives in luxury. Luxury. The introduction of something new. Innovation. 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 The same meaning of the word of kind or time. Time. Kind or time. The same meaning is the category. 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 For most North American households, lighting accounts for 10% to 15% of electricity bill. Households, it means family. Accounts for. And before you read, I give you some statement. You must guess it's true or false. You only predict. You guess it. You don't open your book. You guess it's true or false. In Western countries, gas is necessity. Lighting accounts for 10% to 15% of electricity bill in most North American families. Consumers can save $50 per energy saving bulbs. Energy saving bulbs, bóng đèn tiết kiệm năng lượng. The label tells the consumer how much energy efficiency. Hiệu suất năng lượng tiêu thụ. Energy efficiency. These innovations won't save any money. Now you read, you listen, and you open your book, page 61.
5. Read. Pages 60 and 61. In Western countries, electricity, gas, and water are not luxuries, but necessities. Companies now realize that consumers want products that will not only work effectively, but also save money. For most North American households, lighting accounts for 10% to 15% of the electricity bill. However, this amount can be reduced by replacing an ordinary 100-watt light bulb with an energy-saving bulb. These bulbs use a quarter of the electricity of standard bulbs and last 8 times longer. Therefore, consumers can save about US $7 to US $21 per bulb. In Europe, there is a labeling scheme for refrigerators, freezers, washing machines, and tumble dryers. The label tells the consumers how much energy efficiency each model has compared with other appliances in the same category. Ultimately, these innovations will save money as well as conserve the Earth's resources.
That's right. And you can stop your screen or you pause your screen and listen again and again to take information or to understand the passage. Now you check your prediction. Check two of one's prediction. One, in Western countries, gas is necessities. Now you check. Is that true or false? With the first sentence in passage 1, it is true. Lighting accounts for 10% to 15% of electricity bill in most North American families. In passage 2, it is true. 3. Consumers can save $50 per energy saving bulbs. It's false. They can save about $7 to $21 per bulb. The label tells consumers how much energy efficiency. That's it too. This innovation won't save any money. In this, we have this innovation will save money as well as blah blah, and this is false. Now answer the questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have 5 questions. You open your book and you write the answer in your notebook. You have 5 minutes. And this is the answer. They are interested in products that will not only work effectively but also save money. And the question 2, what can we do to spend less on lighting? We can replace an ordinary 100 watt light bulbs by using saving energy bulbs. And question 3, what is the purpose, the purpose of the labeling scheme? The purpose of the labeling scheme is to tell the consumer how much energy efficiency each model has. Why should we save energy? Because we can save money as well as conserve the resources. And 5, if Mrs. John used only 2 ordinary bulbs and she pays $8 for lighting, how much will she pay if she uses 2 energy-saving bulbs? She will pay $2. Summary of the passage. The exercise will give you some information. Now you choose the best option. 1. Energy-saving bulbs should be used to save electricity. 2. In Western countries, electricity, gas, and water are necessities. 3. North American and European countries are realistic in saving money and natural resources. And 4. Labeling schemes help save energy. Which sentence do you choose? 1, 2, 3, or 4? The answer is 3. I remind you a grammar. The grammar of this passage you must remember. That's the structure of not only but also. Không những mà còn. We have the form S, V, not only, adjective, noun, or adverb with but also. Đứng sau not only but also bắt buộc phải là các từ loại giống nhau. Ví dụ như là sau not only là một tính từ thì sau but also bắt buộc phải là một tính từ như vậy. Hoặc là sau not only là một danh từ thì sau but also các em cũng phải dùng danh từ. Sau not only là từ loại gì thì sau but also phải là từ loại đó. Sau not only là động từ thì sau but also cũng sẽ là động từ. Và ví dụ cho các em. In Western countries, electricity, gas and water are not luxuries but also necessities. Luxuries is a noun and necessity is only a noun. Example 2. Not only adults but also children are attracted by the exciting moments that extreme sport give them, including fear, surprise, worry, curiosity, and fun. Some information that give you the reading of Unit 7. And this is homework for you. Learn the new words by heart. Do on exercise again. Prepare for language focus. Now, thank you for listening.